Hello, my name is Bobby Bischoff, Service Manager at Ringler Chevrolet. I'm here with a valued guest, Carmelita. You just got to watch Clay and experience the multi-point walk-around procedure on the service drive. Temperatures rising, what a great time to check your battery. Not only will it check the cold cranking amps, we'll check the load on the battery, and we'll check the amperage. 3 phases of that battery. Cold cranking amps, what you use to start the vehicle. You might have enough power to supply the radio, you might have enough power to have the dash come on, but do you have enough to start the vehicle? Your voltage supplies your power to your generators and all that thing. Your load is what you need for all your modules. Your seats, your OnStars, your clusters, your radios, all that. Allow us to have the opportunity to go ahead and check out that battery and make sure it's ready for the Texas heat. We do have 3 pricing ranges that we can do on batteries on most models. Also remember, we do tire price match guarantee. Look forward to seeing you here in the month of June for a free multi-point, possible oil change, and let us look at your battery.